welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we're going to show you how you can fry up some vegetable tuna and sweet corn at home. These times, you know, I mean, kids love tuna, especially fried up tuna, or you can go with pasta, spaghetti, whatever you like. First of all, I got some white onion, which I'm going to show you right here, which I'm going to start to cut up right here. White onion, and I have some pepper, spring onion, and some tomato. So basically, simple. Cut up your white onion very small. That's one of the first things which you want to do. And also your pepper. Spring onion. It's nice to give all of these inside of the pot, guys. Give it a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. But as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. This is some sweet pepper. Cut it up a little bit small. Give it a lovely flavor and a nice taste. Tomato also nice to use in it because it's veg and it do give it a lovely flavor also. So I know you guys will love the recipe and I know you guys will also enjoy the recipe. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for all supporting Chef Ricardo. It's amazing, and I know you guys gonna be really enjoy the recipe. So right here, as you can see, all of my veg, which is right there. And second thing, that's the sweet corn. You can see I have a bowl of sweet corn and 2 cans of tuna. Enjoy the recipe, and I'm gonna show you how to fry it off. All right? Nice and lovely. First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop some vegetable oil, roughly a teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of a frying pan. Second thing, make your frying pan hot for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. After it's hot, we're gonna put in that lovely veg. So I know you guys will love it. This is a vegetable fried up tuna. You can serve it with anything, as I said before, pasta, spaghetti. You can have a lovely sandwich from it also. And I know it goes really well. It is fish. If you're allergic to fish, you can have it. But if it's not, you can have tuna. So roughly my oil is starting to get hot now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop in that veg which you just cut up. Just be careful when you put in your veg. As you can see, that looking lovely and nice. Beautiful. So we're gonna make this fry up for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. And next we're gonna put in some pepper, coarse pepper. Really nice. Sweet corn. As you can see, is a lot of veg and a lot of sweet corn. So we're gonna make this fry down for roughly about 5 minutes at least. Nice. So as you can see, roughly about 4 minutes now. Then we're gonna put in the tuna. After you put in your tuna, a little bit of paprika, and a pinch of fish seasoning. You don't have to put those in it, guys. Some ketchup. Lovely. Give it a stir. You can smell that lovely tuna cooking down. And then basically cover it and leave it for it to simmer for a nice good 6 minutes on a medium size heat. Nice and lovely. So let's look at this now, guys. Look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. So basically, as you can see, wow, man, that is fantastic. So hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. You can share this with some pasta, whatever you like. You can have it. So see you next time, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Bye bye.